Hello viewers, in this video I will discuss about how to add the current date and time in Excel. As you can see that already I have write now function and I have write today function. Now I will discuss or explain how this function are work. Rather than manually inserting times and dates into spreadsheet, you can use the now and today function. So there are two functions, one is now, another is today, another one is today function. These functions show the current time and date updating as the spreadsheet changes on a regular basis. Here I write now function. Here I take a cell which is the orange cell. Color I mark color as orange to show you that how now function work. I will enter equal, then type NOW, then enter first bracket, then close the first bracket, then enter. So you see that they are showing that Friday 2nd July and time accordingly. So in this way this function will work. You will not get this type of format always. So to get this format you have to check which date and time format you selected. Right button on this cell, from here choose the format cell. So you see that I have choose the custom format. There are some default format of date, time, and these are the custom. In custom format you will get some both time and date mixed format from here. From here I choose that format and got this type of output. Now I'm showing you that how to the function work. Same equal, then type TODAY first bracket and close the first bracket and enter. So right now is Friday, so if you open this file on tomorrow you will see the date of tomorrow. So this is the advantage of this function. Whenever you open this file you will see that data are updated. So in this way you can use this function at your many complicated sheet or project sheet to get the understanding the value of the total whole data more better. Thank you for watching the video.